Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Yeah, probably the last trip for this season. Winter is coming and it's time to put the boat on the hard. Yeah, now the boat is emptied out on cushions and stuff like that. Today I've only taken, the big stuff like mattresses, cushions, stuff like that. We won't be able to put in our normal car, so I have a big trailer. It's basically half full, and as you can see, the dock is insanely long. About 200 boats on this dock. So yeah, I've lost track on how many times I've been walking this dock today. So tomorrow we're gonna lift the boat, put it on the hard. So yeah, last trip down the dock for this season, at least with stuff. So see you tomorrow. Yeah, Hector is the cameraman, so don't be surprised if the camera is pointing some other direction. Yeah, there is a couple of different ways to put the boat on the hard. Here I'm gonna show you two of them. First, put out some blocks to put the keel of the boat on. And make sure that the top one is wood or rubber or something that has high friction, so it won't slide off. And then you have the stand. Here is the model. Now she's hanging. Time to put her on the hard. Yeah, now she's on the hard. There are a couple of different ways to secure your boat. Here I've used all of them. First you have straps. These four is basically enough. All of these four. But if you're insecure or want to secure it for storm, overdo it. And I always overdo stuff. So I have 4 straps, 6 blocks, 3 each side, and in that 2 jack stands. And yeah, basically those jack stands and 2 of the blocks in front should be enough. So yeah, basically it's gonna be need a full-size hurricane just to move this boat. Yeah, but since we are gonna do a lot of projects inside the boat, now I don't have to worry about it tipping over when I'm walking around the boat, and hammering or breaking stuff. So yeah, that's that. See you when we are starting to restore this boat. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make a template for the soft top, and then we're gonna cover the boat so the small water leaks we have, it's gonna stop, so I can finish that. And I'm gonna take away all the windows, reseal both. That's basically what I'm gonna do outside. And what we're gonna do inside, there's gonna be a separate video only for that. So yeah, see you next time.